Introducing the 2019 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a power seat, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.